Good morning, Rich, AC7MA.
Good morning, Josh.
One of the 4 snowmen of the Sodapocalypse, out for an exciting adventure today. On our trusty steeds, we have WW7D over there with the snow bike. And we have a couple of ancient snowmobiles and one less ancient snowmobile. We got some nice, freshly groomed trail here. We're going to be going up to the summit of Red Top, which is near Blewett Pass in Washington State. And hopefully this is going to go well with all of the 4 snowmen of the Sodapocalypse together.
Feat that has
K7JRO.
never been accomplished before in Soda. 3 snowmobiles and a snow bike. Deep into the heart of the central Washington region. Wish us luck.
The 4 snowmen of the Sodapocalypse ride.
Hey, you guys ready to watch me crash?
We are ready to watch you crash. Like a pro. How's that feel? Feels dicey. Snow bikes are not great on this type of terrain. They're really a lot better in the powdery stuff. So this is kind of worst case conditions.
Revving up and the track is sinking, grab that brake as fast as you can to prevent it from digging in.
Yeah.
Try not to stop pointing uphill. If you have to stop,
Yeah.
turn it sideways
Yeah.
if you're in any deep snow. On the
Yeah.
trail, it's probably okay, but
Yeah. We're going to be on a groomed trail all the way.
more or less, yeah.
Are you ready, Rich?
I think so.
You got your orientation.
Yep.
Press the thumb to go fast, press the left hand to go slow.
Yep.
Yeah.
Keep going. Okay, we have arrived at the parking area for Red Top Summit. Daryl already is probably on the summit on his snow bike. You can see he just rode right off up into the trees. The rest of us are about to don our snowshoes and do it the old-fashioned way. Rich, what'd you think about your first snowmobile experience?
Awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, how was your ride up, John?
Awesome.
It's a gorgeous, gorgeous day, bluebird day.
Oh,
Not too cold, good snow conditions.
Yeah, fresh snow.
Groomed trail all the way up to this point, or a little bit back. So we're gonna get our snowshoes on and get hiking. Okay, we're nearing the summit. There it is up there. There's Daryl's snow bike. He rode most of the way to the summit. He probably could have went all the way. Looks like he's already up there. The rest of us are doing it old school. Absolutely gorgeous day. No wind.
Perfect.
Perfect conditions, sunny. It's great. So we'll be up on the summit here in about 10-15 minutes. Absolutely stunning Mount Rainier. Mount Stewart over there. It's a beautiful day. Hey Daryl, how was it riding the snow bike up there?
Well, going through the woods was so much easier than riding on the groomed trail. It was like riding a dirt bike until I started going seriously uphill, and then I had to turn out as it trenched in a little bit. But
yeah, your track looked awesome. We thought you were gonna be up on the summit with the snow bike. You could have probably done it.
Probably, yeah. But I was happy to get where I made it to.
Awesome. So it's 11. So just about 11 a.m. local.
Okay.
And man, look at this 360-degree view we have up here. This is the lookout tower that's up on Red Top. It's all locked up at the moment, but you can see Mount Rainier. Over here we got Mount Stewart. All the way around.
Kilo Bravo 7 Hotel Delta X-ray from Whiskey 7 Delta. You're 5-7 up here on Red Top.
Okie doke, copy the 5-7, thanks.
Okay, thank you. I got one more operator for you, 73.
Go.
CQ, K7JRO, summits on the air from Red Top Mountain. CQ, K7JRO.
But I have a second card, a second camera.
This is RS2S in KX0R right now. My turn.
K7JRO, summits on the air from Red Top Mountain. Looking for contacts. Anybody, anywhere. CQ, K7JRO.
And that was NS0TA. That's Guy on another summit in Washington, Lower Columbia somewhere on 40 CW. We just ran the full 4-operator summit to summit train on this guy. So if you're watching the video, thanks for the 4 summit to summits, man.
You get blown to smithereens.
There's Peter.
I almost CC'd ATN on this, just to let him know we were doing something like this. I didn't. So yeah, I made reservations for the camp. I'm in a different loop, just to the...
Okay, we're packing up here now. Activation's done. We're taking down the antenna, and we saw AF7QD pop up on a local summit. So with the antenna laying on the ground, we quickly turned the radio back on and worked him summit to summit with the antenna just laying on the snow. So worked just fine. All right, I'm gonna head down into the snowshoe down, and we'll see you back down at the trail as you make your way through the trees here. this is the end of the trip for the 4 snowmen of the Sodapocalypse.
9 points.
Woohoo!
Bluebird day,
Fun day.
absolute perfect trail conditions.
Lots of summit to summit QSOs.
Yeah,
All right,
Nailed
guys.
it.
That was awesome.
yeah.
We'll
Perfect day.
here's our illustrious snow park right on the side of the highway near Blute Pass.
Challenge anyone?
Oh yeah.
Something similar.
Yeah. More snow bikes. That's what everyone's gonna say. More snow bikes. Alrighty. 73.